Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to stop Audible subscriptions on Amazon. So if you want to stop your Audible subscriptions from renewing and prevent future membership charges, you can cancel your Audible membership through the Audible website using the Amazon account connected to your Audible account. So first, launch the Audible website and sign in using your account credentials. And once you're here, just head over to the top right corner and hover over your account name and click on membership details, and it's going to take you to the membership details page. So if you're not already in the membership details page by default, you're going to have to click on it and it takes you here. So from here, just go ahead and find your membership. I'm not a member apparently, but if you are a member, you find your membership details here. So go ahead and look for the cancel membership option and select cancel membership to begin the cancellation process. So Audible may show you information about your membership and offer you alternative options before you cancel. So follow the instructions displayed on the screen. Whenever you see continue to cancel, select it and continue through the cancellation process. You may also need to continue through several screens before reaching the final cancellation confirmation page. Continue following the on-screen instructions until you reach the final cancellation page. Confirm that you want to cancel your Audible membership, and once the cancellation is completed, Audible will send you a confirmation email. You can also check your account details page to confirm that your membership status has been updated. Now, before you complete your cancellation, check whether you have an unused Audible credits. If you have unused credits that you don't want to lose, consider using them to purchase Audible books before or audiobooks before your membership ends. Audible states that unused membership credits are generally lost when you cancel, although credits received through an App Store or Google Play membership are treated differently and remain in your account after cancellation. Any audiobook you purchase with a credit is yours to keep even after you cancel your membership. Canceling your Audible membership does not delete your Audible account. I hope you know that. So you can still access Audible audiobooks that you previously purchased with a credit, debit card, or credit card. These purchased audiobooks remain in your library and are yours to keep. However, once your final billing period ends, you will lose membership benefits such as access to the Plus catalog and member exclusive discount, depending on your plan. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.